How to add paper cash to Cash App. Update with FAQ. If you have physical cash on hand and want to get it onto your phone fast, you are in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the exact step-by-step way to deposit paper money directly into Cash App using their latest updates. And I'm going to clear up the biggest headaches and questions people run into at the register. Now, why would you even want to do this? Maybe someone paid you in cash and you want to load it into the app to send it to a friend. Or maybe you just want to top up your balance so you can go spend it using your Cash App debit card. Whatever your reason, it is super easy. Let's look at my phone screen together so I can show you exactly how it works. First things first, open up Cash App on your phone. Make sure you are sitting right on that very first tab. That's your banking tab where you see your current account balance. From here, just scroll down a little bit until you find the option that says Deposit Paper Money. Go ahead and tap that. If this is your absolute first time clicking it, the app might throw a quick, brief instruction screen at you. Just clear that out. Next, Cash App is going to bring up a built-in map of locations right in your neighborhood. There are all kinds of retail partners that accept these deposits. Think major drugstores like CVS, Walmart's, Dollar General, or even local gas stations. Here's my insider tip. Drive over to the store first. Do not generate your code on your couch. Wait until you are literally walking up to the cashier counter and then hit that bright green Show Barcode button. That barcode runs on a strict security countdown timer and only lasts for a couple of minutes, so timing is everything. Once you're at the register, just tell the cashier, hey, I want to load some cash onto my Cash App account, and show them your phone screen. They'll scan that barcode directly from your phone, ask you how much physical cash you are depositing, take your paper bills, and hand you a paper receipt. Definitely keep that receipt until the money hits your phone. Now, let's talk numbers because a lot of people get confused here. Cash App typically charges a flat $1 processing fee for paper deposits. However, under their latest terms, they actually waive this fee if you meet certain monthly activity goals, like hitting specific benchmarks for direct deposits or debit card spending. If you don't meet those markers, expect that dollar to be deducted directly from the cash you hand over. For example, if you don't qualify for the waiver and hand the cashier a clean $50 bill, exactly $49 will land straight into your account balance.
As for limitations, the baseline minimum you can deposit is $5 and the single transaction cap is $500. Just keep in mind that you also have rolling periodic caps. You can only load up to $500 total every 7 days, and your account maxes out at a hard limit of $4,000 every 30 days. Which leads us to the biggest FAQ. How long does it take to see the money? Personally, I did my transaction inside a retail store. I walked out to the parking lot, sat in my car, unlocked my phone, reopened Cash App, and boom, the deposit was already sitting there. It typically takes less than 1 to 2 minutes flat, and it is instantly ready to spend. But what happens if things go wrong? Let's troubleshoot 2 common roadblocks. First, some viewers have commented that their cashier asked them to swipe their physical Cash App debit card at the register. Do not do this. Swiping your card will fail every single time. Gently remind the cashier that they must scan the barcode on your phone screen for the system to process the deposit. Roadblock number 2, some stores might ask you to show a government photo ID before they take your cash. Don't panic, that isn't a Cash App rule, it's just an individual store policy for certain retail chains to prevent fraud. If you don't have an ID on you or don't feel comfortable showing it, no worries. Just walk out, head down the street, and try a completely different retail store partner on your map. That is literally all there is to it. If this video helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Also, if you ever need to add a check to your account instead of physical cash, I have a complete guide called How to Deposit Checks in Cash App, all details covered, linked on your screen right now. Go ahead and click that, and I'll see you over there.